Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar. The dollar index is trading at 103.60. Data released yesterday showed that U.S. inflation, as measured by the Consumer Price Index, fell to 2.8% year-on-year in February from 3% in January. Meanwhile, core CPI inflation, which excludes volatile food and energy categories, fell to 3.1% in February from 3.3% in the previous month. The slowdown in inflation pressures has allowed the U.S. Federal Reserve to resume rate cuts in June. Coupled with expectations of a possible slowdown in the U.S. due to Trump's trade policies, the prospect of monetary easing could put pressure on the dollar. Next, pound against the dollar. The pair is holding near multi-month highs at 1.2950. The UK's Business and Trade Secretary Jonathan Reynolds said the government was disappointed by the US decision to impose a 25% tariff on imported steel and aluminium. But unlike the EU, it would not mirror the tariff and would negotiate with the US authorities to achieve more favorable bilateral agreements. The official added that the government was working with companies that were subject to sanctions and was exploring measures to protect UK producers. According to British Steel Limited, the US is the UK's second largest steel market after the EU, accounting for 9% of exports by value and 7% by volume. Against this background, the growth of the pound may continue. And finally, dollar against yen. The pair is trading at 147.90. Yesterday, the spring wage talks between labor unions and business representatives ended, as a result of which most companies agreed to significantly increase employee salaries. Thus, Hitachi Limited announced a record increase in monthly wages by 6.2%, which will contribute to the acceleration of inflation and confirm the likelihood of a new tightening of monetary policy by the Bank of Japan. The Bank of Japan meeting will be held next week. In the event that the regulator's management agrees to increase the rate, the bullish rally of the yen will continue. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.